So there was a question on my channel about advanced roadmaps. Advanced roadmaps, of course, is one of the most popular playlist on my channel. If you want to learn it, you can definitely watch those videos. But just to share with you, I'm actually working on like the revised version of that particular video series, and it is still in progress. I mean, I haven't recorded any video, but I'm working on the you know the content, and of course I already have a content from my previous video series, but in the previous video series I was talking about life plans as well, which is not really relevant anymore. I mean, if you start using advanced roadmaps in 2022, I don't really think you would use life plans, because life plans, the feature might probably go away. It is still there, I guess, but it will probably go away. Now, coming back to the topic, uh, I received a lot of questions about how can I add one more project in my advanced roadmap? How can I manage multiple projects, and how can I change the source? So this is something that I've covered in the past, but I thought I'll probably share it one more time, because why not? And sometimes you have to repeat yourself, because that particular topic is maybe very very popular. Many people want to know how to do this. Now, when you talk about advanced roadmap plan, when you create a new plan, you have to, of course, give your plan a name. Then you, of course, move to the next screen where you will define the source. Now, in the beginning, when you create a new plan, let us say you are a project manager, you are responsible for maintaining or creating a plan for maybe 4 projects, right? Now, you have the option to either create a plan based on the project name, multiple, you can have like 1 or 2 projects, or more, or you can have the board, which is of course recommended if you're trying to also work on the sprints and you want to ensure that your sprints are also reflected perfectly on the plan. And also there is an option to create a filter or use a filter in the plan. Now, good thing about advanced roadmap is that you can always go back to your plan configuration, and you can also go back to the plan configuration and then go to the source of your plan, and you can then of course modify it. So to do this, you have to go to the configure, and then you have to go to the data source, and then just press the next button, and you will be presented with the same screen where you can define or select more projects in the plan. You can basically add more projects. So the answer is that yes, if you are working on a plan uh, in your advanced roadmap with 2 projects, 3 projects, or whatever source you have, it could be a filter or a board, you can always modify it to include more. That is totally fine and totally okay. You can do that. And this is something that I believe I have shown a couple of times in my advanced roadmap slash portfolio video playlist. So do go and take a look at that particular playlist on my channel if you want to see that particular interface. But I mean, I checked I mean, from interface point of view, there is not really there is no change. And even the new version of I mean the new course that I'm working on for advanced roadmaps, it is not really too much different from the other one. In fact, the new course would be even shorter and a bit simplified version of the previous course, because as I mentioned before, in the previous course I was also talking about life plans, which is not really relevant anymore in 2022. So I'll remove it, and I'll try to also incorporate some of the feedback that I received on that particular playlist, and hopefully the new course that I'm working on will be effective and better than the previous one. And by the way, it is of course going to be free, so don't worry about it. As I mentioned before, my intention is to keep my courses free uh, for everyone, so that you can learn and get the most out of Atlassian tools. So that is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, or even if you are not new to my channel, if you're watching this video, I think, I mean, I don't really say this a lot, but I think it always helps if 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 I get more subscribers, because I mean, of course, when you have more subscribers, you will get more views. You will, of course, reach wider audience, and of course, I will also earn more money. So yes, please subscribe to my channel and make me rich. Bye bye.